Okay, today we're going to show you guys how to remove the alternator of GMC Savana. The alternator is just right over here, as you can see from the engine bay area. This is what we're going to remove. We're going to remove 10mm bolts, which is holding the air inlet. We're going also to remove the air mass sensor connector. And then from there, what we're going to do next, we're going to remove the connector connecting to the air intake in the engine. Then once that is done, I'm going to take this out of our way so that we have access to the engine area. Since we're going to do an alternator, guys, we have to remove the negative terminal of the battery. We have to remove the negative terminal for the battery. So right here I've already removed the negative terminal. So once this is done, I think we're good to go. We're good to begin the process. The process is we have to pry. We have to let loose of the serpentine belt, which holds the alternator. And then once it's done, we have to remove these two bolts. One is a 15mm on both sides, and then behind here we have a 10mm bolt, which holds the power line, which comes from the battery. And then after that, also we have to remove the connector, the electrical connector behind the alternator. It's just right behind here. I'm going to show you later on, guys, how to remove it. So it's nice to take it out when the alternator is pried out, and gives us enough access to pull it out safely. Okay, let's begin. So I'm going to take a 15mm flat wrench, and then I'm going to use to loosen the serpentine belt by going here to this pulley. I'm going to pry it all the way down, and then we have to loosen the belt just right from this idler pulley for the car. And then once that is out of our way, guys, and then we will begin the process of removing the alternator. Okay, we're right here. So we get a 15mm. We get a 15mm socket, and then we loosen the bolts. There are only two. Yeah, we loosen the bolts which holds both sides of the alternator. And then once that's out of our way, now we can just take it out. Okay, stay with me. Okay, once this is done, we just take out the bolts on both sides. And then here is where it gets tricky. Since the alternator has been stuck here for a while, so we will need like a pipe or something to just pry it out. Yeah, so you might need to put like a little bit of energy to take it out. And then once that is out, then we can just finish the process of taking it out completely. Okay, once this is out, we have to just open the 10mm, and then once it's done, we pull out the connector, just pull it out from the alternator, and then we're good to go. Thanks, guys, for checking out this information, and I hope it helps you out. Please leave a like and subscribe.